How are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Now in this video I'm talking about dent coin price update. What surprise changes occur in the dent coin. In this video I will share the whole update, so guys keep watching this video complete. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and update videos, guys. The right now price of dent coin in the market is about 0.004186 USD dollar. That is right now price of dent coin. And furthermore, if we study the changes update of dent coin, so negative 1.86% changes occur in the dent coin. The price changes are going complicated, and guys, now today is the last day of a month. That's why the price very badly dump. Not only dent coin, a lot of coin price dump in these last days, guys, so don't worry, everything will be okay, guys. Now other side, you can see here a lot of people are investing in a dent coin. You know what's the reason behind it? Why the trading volume of dent coin increasing hour by hour on the last day of a month? Because a lot of people, a lot of big YouTubers, I mean Bitboy Crypto, and a lot of more YouTubers also predicate dent coin that there is a higher possibilities, guys, that the price pump on the 1st October month is a very profitable month for all of you very soon. So that's why, guys, now you can see 66.95% trading volume of dent coin increase. Other side, the trading volume is negative, but very soon you will find these all update positive, guys. And I also recommend for all of you to please hold if you want a huge profit, guys. Anyways, guys, now what is your opinion and how do you feel today about dent coin? Also share your opinion in the comment box, and guys, don't forget to subscribe channel.